How to delete Zangi account. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can do this quickly and easily. Basically, you want to head over to your mobile devices, and once inside, you could just head over to the Zangi application right here. Now once inside the Zangi application, just go ahead and click on the gear icon below your screen. Basically, you have your messages, you have your calls, you have your friends right here, and lastly you have the gear icon, which is your settings right here. Now to proceed, you can just go ahead and scroll down, and inside you want to look for the privacy settings. Inside privacy, at the bottom of our choices, we have the delete account. Delete account will delete all your data permanently, including messages, call history, and profile info. So you can just go ahead and click on it, click on delete, just wait for the process to finish, and in that way you will be able to basically delete your whole Zangi account. If this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.